Audio Jungle.
The 2023 Toyota Tundra full-size pickup truck entered production in San Antonio, Texas. Only trucks powered with the standard twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 have started production, as the new hybrid powertrain won't arrive until the spring. Pricing starts at $37,645. After nearly 15 years, the Toyota Tundra is officially entering a new generation as the 2023 trucks have started being produced at Toyota's plant in San Antonio, Texas. They're already arriving at dealerships this week, Toyota says. The new Tundra is significantly improved for its third generation to compete with domestic trucks from Chevy, Ford, and Ram. A new coil-spring rear suspension setup improves its ride, its more modern interior has an available 14.0-inch touchscreen, and there's a new iForce Max hybrid powertrain offering. However, the only trucks that are currently being produced are equipped with the standard twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine, as trucks with the hybrid powertrain, including the hybrid-only TRD Pro model, will arrive in the spring of next year. That twin-turbo V6 engine replaces the old generation's 5.7-liter V8 and produces 348 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque in the base SR model and 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque in the higher trim levels. Tundras can tow up to 12,000 pounds, which is 1,800 more than the previous generation truck, and its max payload is rated at 1,940 pounds. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.